Good evening, folks. It's Diamond from Magnetic Reversal News. And we have an amazing update to bring you. You're looking at an ancient tree that contains a record of a reversal of Earth's magnetic field. And it was recently discovered in New Zealand. The magnetic quote-unquote reversal that it encompasses is called the Lachamp excursion. Not a true reversal, but an excursion nonetheless. And the tree is Agathis australis, better known as the Maori name Kauri, which was found in Nagawa in New Zealand's North Island during excavation work for the expansion of a geothermal power plant. Now, this particular tree, which has been buried in 26 feet of soil, measures 8 feet in diameter, 65 feet in length, and recent dating revealed it lived for 1,500 plus years, spanning the entire length between 41,000 and 42,500 years, falling directly on the time of the Lachamp magnetic excursion. Now, there is nothing like this anywhere in the world. The Nagawa Kauri tree is exceptional. It's unique. And the particular lifespan of this tree that you're looking at covers a point in Earth's history when the magnetic field almost reversed. And at this time, the magnetic north and south went into an excursion, but not a complete full reversal. Something that many people hypothesize is what's happening right now. And years ago, many people thought it took thousands of years for a magnetic reversal to occur, but we know better these days. And moreover, Earth's magnetic field is thought to be generated by some iron core theory, which is total nonsense. There's a Z-pinch in the Earth. That field is connected to the Z-pinch in the sun, and that is connected to an external source which controls this magnetism. And when the magnetic field reverses or attempts to in an excursion, it gets weaker, much weaker, leading to more radiation from the sun getting through, especially in the form of cosmic rays. In fact, scientists like myself and others have linked these extinction events to magnetic reversals, or vice versa. Now, this newly discovered Kauri tree's rings contain a complete record of this near reversal called the Lachamp magnetic excursion. The first time a tree that lived during an entire event has ever been found. Not only that, it's this old. It's from 41,000 years ago. And it's the actual time it takes for this critical excursion to occur that's in question and why this video is so important. So stick with us. Back in 2012, October 2016, an extremely brief reversal of the geomagnetic field was reported on. Climatic variability in a supervolcano. So within the lava flows of a volcanic eruption at this time, 41,000 years ago, a complete and rapid reversal of the geomagnetic field occurred. The Lachamp magnetic excursion. Magnetic studies of the GFZ, German Research Center for Geoscientists on Sediment Cores from the Black Sea, show that during this period, during the last ice age, a compass at the Black Sea would have pointed to the south instead of north. Moreover, data obtained by the research team showed that this was a global event. And it was the remarkable speed of the event in 2012 that was first uncovered. The field geometry of the reverse polarity with field lines pointing into opposite directions when compared to today's configuration, lasted for only 440 years, according to this paper. And it was associated with a field strength that was only 1/4 of today's field, according to the scientists involved. Now, the actual polarity changes lasted only 250 years in terms of geologic timescales. That is epically fast, ladies and gentlemen. And during this period, the field was even weaker, with only 5% of today's strength for 250 years. That would cause mass extinction, including Neanderthals, which occurred at this event. So the Neanderthal extinction occurred while the rest of us went underground. As a consequence, the Earth nearly completely lost its protective shield, which we scream about on the channel, the magnetosphere, and cosmic rays flooded in, leading to significant increased radiation exposure to plants and other biological entities like humans. This is documented by peaks of radioactive beryllium-10 in ice cores from the time, recovered from the Greenland ice core sheet in the GISP-2 data. Now, beryllium-10 was a radioactive carbon-14 is caused by collision of high-energy protons from space with atoms in the atmosphere, and these are easily recorded in ice as they rain down on your heads. Now, so this is the 2012 information. And that leads us to the August 23, 2018 article. We have the most precise reading yet on how fast Earth's magnetic poles could flip. And as of 2018, well, those dates got much tighter. So we were talking about a 400-year excursion or reversal. And I'm going to share with you the paper, which cuts the time more than half. Yes, and we've frozen up here. Multi-decadally resolved polarity oscillations during geomagnetic excursions. Coming out in 2017, November 22nd, a stalactite-based paleomagnetic record of the post-Blake excursion reveals details of repeated centennial millennial interhemispheric polarity drifts and sawtooth inclination oscillations during periods of low geomagnetic field intensity at 100,000 years before present. One surprisingly abrupt centennial reverse transition occurred in 144 plus or minus 58 years. That means these excursions can occur in less than 100 years, totally. Less than a human lifetime. And now we have a tree. We have an ancient tree that contains a record of that reversal year by year. And we've just discovered it. So I'm sure they're studying it right now as I speak. And they're going to get the most detailed description of the Lechamp event that we could ever ask for. And we're going to get this data before the event that we're living now kicks up a notch, hopefully. So that's the plan. Ancient Northland Corey tree reveals secrets of Earth's polar reversal. And that's the big news coming out July 3rd, 2019. A team of international scientists believe they have found the answer to the mysteries of Earth's last polar reversal. The only problem is there were 2 other geomagnetic excursions in between. In the tree rings of an ancient Corey, the 20-meter-long Corey could really reveal some amazing information. And we have this video here, so let's take a look. And let's all do a dab to the fact that science is being revealed and we are reporting on it. There's a small fringe group, some people completely compartmentalized and others attacking it from a multidisciplinary approach that are revealing the secrets of the cosmic catastrophe we're living now, which the mainstream is not going to reveal to you because they do not want to ensue panic in the public. Business as usual, just like in this quarry, as they avoid the most obvious elephant in the room. The secrets of the past are coming clearer day by day. We are living a magnetic excursion at the minimum, a magnetic polar reversal at the max. And it's all occurring during a grand solar minimum. And the sun is waking up. Solar cycle 25 is beginning. And the Earth's magnetic poles could be about to swap places. The effects are grandiose and dangerous. Power cut, mass extinction, and on and on. Evolution. So we've been covering this, and we ask you to join us on the discovery as it unfolds. You are living the next mass extinction and evolutionary event. It's a time of great wonder. We've lived through these many times, time immemorial. The human race will continue. Are you preparing? Survive and thrive in the future. Check out our preparedness store, prepareattheranch.com. Subscribe to the channel. Share this with like-minded people. We love each and every one of you. Look up. It's beautiful. Be safe.